Hey everyone, my name is Dave and I'm actually going to show you something that might have you craving salad. Introducing the balsamic grilled steak and mushroom recipe. Let's get it started. We're going to prep the skirt steak here. We're going to throw this in this Ziploc bag. Take balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, and some fresh minced garlic. We're going to seal that up and let that rest at room temperature while we get the mushrooms, the salad, and the grill going. Now to prep the mushrooms: balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, freshly minced garlic, and some fresh coarse ground pepper. Now we're gonna mix this all up. Oh, that smells so good right away. I love soy sauce. Let me do a little taste. That's gonna be perfect for the mushrooms. We're gonna throw the mushrooms in. We'll scoop those around so they all get some marinade on them. We'll cover that and leave that while we get the salad prepped and the grill started. We're gonna start with the salad prep so that when everything comes off the grill, it's ready to go. We're gonna mix olive oil, lemon juice, a little salt, a little pepper. Let me whisk that together. Give a little taste. Just gonna add a little more salt and a little more pepper. Then in here we're gonna add all these beautiful peaches with the baby arugula. Hardest part here is not eating the peaches before you put them in. And you can use blue cheese, feta, or your favorite cheese to put on salad. I absolutely love blue cheese, so I put in a grossly offensive amount of blue cheese. And then we're gonna add this directly to the salad. Oh, this already looks and smells amazing. Gonna mix this all up, put this inside in the fridge, and wait until we're done with the steak. That looks beautiful. It smells amazing already. All right, so the skirt steak's been marinating at room temperature, and it looks and smells amazing. I'm gonna take them out here and put on 50-50 kosher salt and coarse pepper. Oh, these are beautiful. They smell so good. I'm actually gonna lay it out on the grill and just season it. Hear that sizzle. Gonna get both sides seasoned real quick, and then we'll leave it on this side. Oh, the smell of the marinade is fantastic. I'm just gonna drizzle what's left of the marinade in the bag over both of these as well. And we're gonna let that cook. Normally I would do the skirt steak to medium rare. I'm gonna actually cook them to medium for the salad. Now these mushrooms you can do one of two ways. You can actually do them where you put them on a skewer and send them out. Because we've got some round pieces and flat pieces so they all hit the surface, I'm gonna put them directly on the plancha. About 2.5 minutes, flip it over the other side, and another 2.5 minutes. Look at the beautiful smell of these with the marinade on there. Oh, these are fantastic. I'm gonna give these a nice little drizzle too. Don't let any of that beautiful flavor go to waste. The smells coming off the grill from these marinades are fantastic. Gonna flip the skirt steak over. Look at the great sear. And that's really what we want, is the great sear on both sides of this. And then when we chop it up nice and small, going perpendicular with the grain, that'll be tender pieces to eat with your salad. And then these mushrooms will be a nice addition right on the side of the salad. Mushrooms on the grill with this beautiful marinade, absolutely amazing. Great sear on the steak. Just came off, gonna let it rest and slice this up for the salad. Those mushrooms look incredible. And the skirt steak's getting a beautiful sear. These mushrooms are just getting perfect here. We're gonna take them off in a little bit and sneak a taste. Oh. Just such a simple marinade makes such a big difference. Outstanding flavor on those. Skirt steaks are ready to come off. We'll take them off here. We're gonna let it rest for a little bit and we'll slice those up. These mushrooms are gonna come off, and then we'll be back throwing it all in the salad, putting the mushrooms on the side, and it'll be time to eat. Okay, I can't wait any longer. I've already been tasting these mushrooms. They are ridiculous. And then the steak, you want to cut perpendicular with the grain so that it's easier to chew. That's incredible too. So I'm going to slice this up, and then I'll slice it into smaller pieces. Oh, this is done perfectly. You can see these pieces here. The flavor and the smell of the marinade is outstanding. I wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling right now. But I'll finish slicing this up. We'll pull the salad out here. We'll mix it all together and we'll get eating. So I'm finishing up cutting the steak. And as you can see, there's gonna be a lot of steak in our salad. I'm a barbecue guy. If I'm gonna eat salad, there's gonna be a lot of steak in the salad, but you will love this salad. These are done so good. I promise I didn't eat more than one per every 3 I put in here. Now the salad that we made earlier, we're gonna throw this steak on top, but I almost want a bite of steak in every bite I take. But look at this beautiful salad. I'm gonna plate this up. As I continue to eat the steak and mushrooms, I can't help myself, I'm sorry. I'll plate these salads up and then take a bite of the whole thing here. That looks incredible. The peaches, the blue cheese, the steak, the smells coming out of this from the marinade and the dressing. I can't even describe it. I mean, I'm gonna say I love this salad, which salad is not something I normally eat, but this is the way to eat it. We're also gonna take these mushrooms, which are incredible as well, place those on the side, and I'm gonna take just a little bit of my fresh parsley, sprinkle that on top of the mushrooms. This salad looks amazing. Now again, people who know me well know that I refer to salad as rabbit mulch, but this is not rabbit mulch. This is a salad worthy of a barbecue fanatic. The steak, the peaches, I love blue cheese, the simple dressing. Perfect lunch on a summer day. Not a bad dinner either on a summer day. I have to go in for more. And more. The mushrooms and the marinade, Trust me on this, you all need to try this salad. It is phenomenal. I'm Dave from Backyard BBQ Smokehouse. Doing a salad's a little off the norm for me, but this is my favorite salad, especially in the summertime. The marinated skirt steak with the side of the marinated mushrooms on the grill. Fantastic, a must try. You will not be disappointed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell us what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. And remember, spread love through barbecue.